Christmas Shopping Spree 2017 takes us to the Springs Plaza. We've been here before. It's called Digital Systems and Supplies Limited. And if you look at the sign, it says your home for business solutions. So let's go find out what that means. How are you? I'm all right, man. Delroy Ellis is the marketing manager. I said when I was coming in that the sign says your home for business solutions. What does that mean?
Oh, it means that at Digital Systems, we provide a full range of solutions for business, whether it is computer systems, point-of-sale systems, document center services like graphic designs, business card, ID services. We also provide office equipment, and recently we have started to provide embroidery and garment printing solutions for both commercial and for homes. We do the services as well as the actual equipment. For embroidery, we sell machines that do embroidery, and we do it as a service to some of our selected customers, which is done locally by our brother embroidery machines. This is what we call a transfer image, where any graphic artist would create an image like this, and then we use either iron or a t-shirt press to press the image onto this material. This is a garment printer that prints garment. It does 50 shirts per hour, so it's a production. This is for people who are in the serious business of garment manufacturing. Any color.
So Delroy Ellis, who is the marketing manager of Digital Systems and Supplies Limited. Shop number 17 in the Springs Plaza. So Christmas Shopping Spree 2017 takes us to Tropical Plaza. We're at Lee's Fifth Avenue. Not for the first time we're here. They have a wonderful array of almost everything you need for Christmas and beyond. Jude.
Hi, Neville.
I got it right. She's the marketing manager here. And she's from St. Lucia, by the way. How you do? You all right?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right. Hope you're having a great holiday.
I am.
Okay, but you also have some models here.
We do. Amazing models, yes.
All right, well, let's see.
She's modeling one of our long, flowy, very in keeping with the holiday season dress. Now this dress is very trendy this season. It's very chic, perfect for your holiday parties. You always have to have this off-the-shoulder, cute, flowy dress for dinners, if you're going somewhere with your girlfriends or your family. He's rocking our Mandarinian color white shirt with our red velvet blazer. All right, Neville, so this holiday season, one of our top sellers, and which is something we always recommend to our customers that want to come in and get amazing gifts for your mom or your aunt, are these land handbags. They're amazing quality, black, brown. They're perfect for every day, for corporate, for going to work, for running errands. And the best part about these bags is that they're very durable. Amazing quality. You cannot beat a land handbag. These are some of the shirts that we have in store that are very fabulous, very in keeping with the season. Yeah, and especially, Neville, this red one, bomb. And by the way, Neville, I just want to let our viewers know we have an amazing Christmas special. It's called the Swept Away, and it's perfect. If you want to come in, you can spend $3,000 or more, and you'll get a chance to actually win that 3-day, 2-night at Couples Negro, Swept Away Negro.
Oh, there you go. So, great way to end this one. Nice little tour, Lee's Fifth Avenue.
Yeah.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Y'all take care. You know that you can't go wrong at Christmas time if you want to give any gift electronic, which is why we are here. We're at Royal PC and Electronics in Tropical Plaza. Mr. Yannick Chin is the assistant manager, and he's also the technical man for all the things we're going to talk about now. This is where our Christmas shopping spree takes us. Yannick, go on.
Hey, what's up, Neville?
Good to see you. What is in the store, please?
Okay, what we sell at the store, we sell tablets, we sell mobile phones, laptops, a whole wide variety of items when you come on to electronics for the Christmas.
You sell specific brands, or I can just come in?
Yeah, we sell specific brands. We have PlayStation, we have Xbox One. Tablets, we also have two specific brands, Kindle Fire, Alcatel. Phones, we have Motorola, Alcatel, Xiaomi, and also LG. Those are the brands.
Xiaomi?
Xiaomi, yes.
I've never heard of.
It's a new brand out there which is pretty much right about now taking over the market. It has a 5 megapixel in the front, 13 at the back, and it also even has a fingerprint reader. So if you're using your security for certain phones, you can just tap on the back of it and it unlocks the phone. Right, with some phones, you usually have to swipe. One thing persons like about this phone in particular, the storage and the RAM. What we have here is our tablets, our 3G/Wi-Fi tablets. This is our popular one. We've been selling this one from last year.
What makes it so popular?
The apps. One is the apps, and plus most persons who use Amazon, especially buying their products, the books, the music you can also buy, and also you can get cloud storage also with it. We have other branches. We have the Royal Computer, which is in Pavilion, and you have also Royal Tech.
Yannick Chin is the marketing manager, and as I told you, he's also the electronics expert. So just come to Royal PC and Electronics in Tropical Plaza.